India's COVID-19 case count rose to over 2.75 crore as 1.86 lakh more tested positive in a day. This is the lowest daily rise in 44 days. The steady dip comes as scientists are studying if the B1617 strain is behind the surge in the last 2 months. 3,660 COVID patients have died in the last 24 hours according to the government data. The average daily deaths are under 4,000 after 11 days. With this, the country's total fatalities since the beginning of the pandemic have touched more than 3,18,000. For the 15th straight day, daily recoveries are more than the number of daily infections. Over 2.59 lakh people recovered from COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The police in Bangalore have arrested 5 people, including a woman, for allegedly raping and filming a woman. The case has been registered at Ramamurthy police station. In a statement, the Bangalore police said the victim was sexually abused and tortured, and the accused also filmed the act. Preliminary investigation in the case has revealed that the victim and the 5 accused are all Bangladeshi nationals. Police say the victim was brought to India via human trafficking. The police are trying to trace the victim and encourage her to join the investigation. The date of crime is not yet known. Police said the accused will be produced before a court on Friday. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is all set to chair the 43rd GST Council meeting on Friday after a gap of over 7 months. The last GST Council meeting was held in October last year, even though the Council is required to meet once every quarter. The meeting is crucial as many key decisions are on the cards, some of which will directly impact India's fight against COVID-19 during the second wave. The most important agenda of today's meeting will be the waiver of tax on various medicines, medical equipments, and health services. Many states are expected to ask the Council to provide waivers on key medical equipment and COVID vaccines in the wake of the unprecedented health crisis. The finance ministers of at least 8 states, including Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, and Kolkata, are expected to raise the issue of GST waiver on COVID-related equipment and drugs. They are all likely to press for a zero tax rate on COVID essentials, reported news agency PTI. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will today hold a review meeting on Cyclone Yas, which impacted Bengal and Odisha. The Prime Minister and the Chief Minister will also conduct separate aerial surveys of cyclone-hit areas in both the states. The review meeting will be held between 2:30 pm and 3:30 pm today at Kalaikunda in Paschim Midnapur district. This will be the first in-person meeting between Prime Minister Modi and Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee after the assembly election in the state. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar will also attend the meeting between PM Modi and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Dhankar will also receive the Prime Minister at Kalaikunda Air Force Station, the officials have said. A Dominica court has put a stay on the repatriation of fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi, who was arrested in the island nation after he fled from Antigua and Barbuda, where he had been since 2018. The Dominica court on Friday ordered a restraint on removing Mehul Choksi from the land of Dominica until further order and has also permitted legal assistance and access to his legal team, his lawyer Vijay Agrawal has said. The court will hold the next hearing in the matter at 6 pm on May 28th. The court passed the order after Mehul Choksi's legal team in Dominica filed a habeas corpus petition in a court of the Caribbean island country after they were allegedly not given initial access to him. Habeas corpus is a writ that requires a person under arrest to be brought before a judge or into the court. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.